welcome back to Red Ted Art. These are super cute and I promise you super easy treat boxes for, of course, Easter. So inside these chicks you pop your little chocolate egg treats and then you give them to your friends. Now they're super quick to make, really cheap to make because they use old cardboard tubes, and I think they look really adorable and are really fun. So come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you will need a cardboard tube, glue stick, scissors, scraps of paper. You don't have to use these, but I've got some fun sticker eyes, but you can use googly eyes or a pen, whatever that's called, a stapler, and of course some chocolate eggs to put inside your treat boxes. So this is a really quick and easy craft. So the first thing you need to do is move everything aside, fold this, and cut. Now this is quite wide and the cut should be at least a square, if not a little bit bigger, but square is quite good. Now this was from a kitchen towel roll, so any cardboard tube will do. I managed to make 3 out of 1 kitchen towel roll, so that was really good and really simple. And you take your stapler and staple. Nice and easy. Now I'm going to cut out a little beak. Maybe a little bit thinner. You take this, turn it, squish it in the opposite direction, and that's how you've got your pyramid. But you do now need to fill it with your treats. Let's see how many eggs we can fit in. Oh, I think we've got 5. Great. And staple at the bottom. Take your beak and staple at the top. Now if you want, you can add a little wattle. So you can add that before, so that's your little wattle, and you can just slide it in. I find it easier to slide it in rather than staple it in because otherwise it gets all very fiddly. Although now she says that, I can't actually slide it in. There we go. And it should stay, to be honest. It's fine because it's quite stiff. You can always put a little bit of glue there. You now need to cut out your final details. So leave a little gap at the bottom, maybe 2 millimeters. And fold the bottom. Cut out 2 little wings. Like a tear shape. I'm going to use the heart side and glue in place. And then finally add your eyes. Now like I said, you can use googly eyes, you can use these eyes, you can use draw some on if you haven't got any, so it's up to you really. And what I quite like about these eyes, I'm going to use these girly ones what I like these eyes, however you position them will give you a slightly different effect. So I'll show you what I mean. Oops, see? So you can, if you position it like this, you can position it like that. You know, they all look slightly different depending on how you put the eyes on. I'm going to make them pointing down a little bit. And there you go. Isn't that adorable? Actually, no, maybe not. I think I do prefer it like that, a bit more normal. There we go. And that is your treat box done in under 5 minutes. Isn't that cute? So here's some of our other ones. So you can see them all together. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And this one, and that's all made from one cereal cardboard tube used, you know, for the kitchen towel roll, or you can use some loo rolls. And I think it's a really fun way to recycle and give some little treats this Easter. Anyway, as per usual, if you like what you see, please do give me the big thumbs up, a comment. Why not share it with your friends, because I think it's a really fun thing to share and for them to see as well. But above all, I'd love you to keep watching, keep making, and of course, I'd love to see you here again soon. So until next time, take care. Bye.